This is in response to a student question. When you click on Yellowdig over here under Activities, you see the 3 rules about word length, citing an online source to support your ideas, and then explaining how that source supports your ideas. That's analysis. And you all know, as working adults, that's critical in business communication. Here is the change. My students told me, and then I checked it out and they were correct, that many people waited until Sunday to go in and put anything in. And therefore everyone was penalized because they really couldn't find people to respond to in a meaningful way. So I think this student-generated suggestion will create a more meaningful dialogue with you and with me. Thank you.